Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to get verified on Instagram. So for this, let's open our Instagram app. Once the app is open, now click on your profile button in the right bottom corner. As you clicked, now click on three lines on the top right corner. Once you're here, now here you need to search for verify. As you type verify, you will find this request verification option. Click on it. And here you need to enter few details. So the username is already mentioned. Then you need to enter your full name. Then you need to enter your document type. So here you can choose passport or national ID card. So I will go with passport here. And then you need to add a file. Here you can directly take a photo or you can open a photo from gallery. Okay, so after adding the document here, you need to confirm that ability, which is step 2. Here, you need to choose the category of your professional account. So I have other account here and then your country and region. You need to choose your country here and you can skip these optional here and links are also optional. So then click on submit. And once you submit the request, Instagram will get back to you within 30 days and your account will be verified. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.